Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best monster truck tracks and ramps is probably one of the most exciting and versatile toy sets available for young enthusiasts, offering endless possibilities for imaginative play and thrilling stunts that can captivate children for hours on end, making it a fantastic addition to any toy collection and a surefire way to spark creativity and active engagement. Number 5. Hot Wheels Monster Truck Downhill Race and Go Track Set. Get ready for an epic downhill race with the Hot Wheels Monster Truck Downhill Race and Go Track Set. It's all about crashing, smashing, and beating the competition. Be the first to reach the trophy cup. Landing in the cup triggers a spectacular track fail, sending slower cars flying. This track is designed for both Hot Wheels cars and monster trucks, offering versatile play options for every fan. But that's not all. This set also doubles as a transporter for your monster trucks. Simply connect a 1-hour 64-minute scale truck to the front and drive away. It comes complete with a Hot Wheels car and a Hot Wheels monster truck, so the fun can start right out of the box. What we like. This set offers a thrilling downhill race with obstacle smashing action. It's designed for both Hot Wheels cars and monster trucks, even doubling as a transporter. If you have a mix of Hot Wheels vehicles and want a track that offers multiple play patterns, this is a great choice. What people say. Fit 6 little Hot Wheels cars or mix and match with Hot Wheels monster trucks and cars. Easy for a 4-year-old to figure out how to use. Nice storage of multiple monster trucks and Hot Wheels cars. Number 4. Hot Wheels Monster Truck Stunt Tire Playset. Introducing the Hot Wheels Monster Truck Stunt Tire Playset. It's an exciting arena for epic stunts, ready for adventure. This toy is designed for fun on the go, with a convenient handle for portability. When opened, it reveals an expansive stunt arena over 35 inches long. Get ready for high-octane action with the included slam launcher. It's perfect for launching 2 1-hour 64-minute scale cars or one monster truck for thrilling crashes. Watch as your vehicles soar up the ramp and through the fiery ring of fire. It's a spectacular sight that adds to the excitement of every launch. Can you master the stunt and land in the winner's circle? A built-in scoreboard with fun emojis helps you track your performance and celebrate your victories. Add even more excitement with the 2 included plastic crushed cars. Stack them up and knock them down for endless crashing possibilities. What we like. This playset features a unique portable tire design that opens up to a long stunt track. It includes a slam launcher, a ring of fire stunt, and a scoring system. If you're looking for a portable option with exciting stunts and a fun way to track performance, this is the one for you. What people say. Mom and I both love it. Folds into a tire-shaped carrying case. Love the space-saving design. Easy to carry to my house and takes up small amount of space when folded up in playroom. The launcher has held up tons of shots. He can put it together by himself. The carry case is easy to move from place to place. Number 3. Monster Jam Megalodon Mayhem Playset. Get ready for an epic showdown. Slam the launcher and send your monster truck soaring through the shark's mouth. But be careful, those teeth really chomp. You'll get an exclusive 1-hour 64-minute scale Megalodon truck with this set. It features cool BKT tires, awesome graphics, and a unique translucent blue body you won't find anywhere else. Want even more high-flying fun? Connect this playset to other 1-hour 64-minute scale sets from your collection. Build bigger tracks and create endless adventures. This playset is an ideal gift for kids aged 3 and up. It's a top choice for birthdays and holidays, bringing thrilling monster truck action right to their playroom. Face off in a thrilling shark versus shark battle with this action-packed playset. It's designed for exciting jumps and daring stunts. Inside the box, you'll find an exclusive truck, launcher, track pieces, and the awesome shark playset. Get ready for immediate monster truck mayhem. What we like. Get ready for a shark versus shark showdown with this action-packed playset. It features a chomping shark mouth and comes with an exclusive Megalodon monster truck. If you love a themed challenge and want to expand your Monster Jam collection with a unique truck and track, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The 1 hour 64-minute scale diecast truck is super durable and perfect for stunts. The sphere feature makes every launch exciting, and the combination of Bakugan and Monster Jam keeps playtime thrilling. It was an easy 5-minute setup with a couple of stickers and a couple of pieces to snap in. Number 2. Monster Jam Garage Playset and Storage. Get ready for massive Monster Jam action. This huge playset is over 4 feet wide, perfect for performing incredible stunts and taking your adventures to the next level. Experience the thrill with real lights and sounds. The kid-powered elevator brings your trucks up, adding an exciting dimension to your playtime. Keep your collection organized and ready for action. This playset offers ample space to store over 25 of your favorite Monster Jam trucks on its platforms. With ramps on every level, the fun never stops. Race down for legendary jumps and experience the excitement of Monster Jam like never before. This set includes an exclusive gold 40th anniversary Grave Digger truck. It's a must-have addition to your collection with authentic details. Looking for the perfect gift for kids ages 4 and up? This playset is an ideal holiday or birthday present, bringing hours of fun and imaginative play. What we like. This is the ultimate Monster Jam garage, boasting over 4 feet of width for epic stunts. It includes a kid-powered elevator with real lights and sounds, and can store over 25 trucks. If you have a large Monster Jam collection and want a playset that offers massive scale, interactive features, and storage, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Monster Jam trucks are almost identical to Hot Wheels monster trucks, used to be made by Hot Wheels, but the tires are just slightly smaller. The Blaze trucks have smaller size bodies and tires, but still work with Monster Jam playsets. So yes, they are all cross-compatible except for one small issue: Blaze trucks might turn slightly sideways and bind up a little on some playsets. Easy to assemble. The lever does work the elevator up and down, but the individual ramp tabs must be pushed in when going down or the elevator binds up on them. This playset will also serve as a great storage device for all her trucks. Number 1. Hot Wheels Monster Truck Epic Loop Challenge. Get ready for the ultimate Hot Wheels monster truck stunt. Introducing the Epic Loop Challenge, featuring the first ever giant stunt loop in the monster truck universe. This incredible loop was inspired by the signature big wheels of our monster trucks. It's designed with awesome tire styling and thrilling stunt appeal that kids will absolutely love. The set comes complete with a launcher and a ramp. You'll have everything you need to become the ultimate winner and capture that coveted trophy cup. It includes one Hot Wheels monster truck and one Hot Wheels 1 hour 64-minute scale vehicle. But remember, only one can emerge victorious in this epic showdown. You can even connect this set to the Hot Wheels monster truck pit and launch set to build an even bigger monster truck world. It's the perfect gift for action-loving kids aged 4 and up. This playset is designed to rev up kids' imaginations. It offers integrated play, fantastic storytelling opportunities, and exciting creative challenges for endless fun. What we like. Experience the first ever giant loop stunt in the Hot Wheels monster truck world. Inspired by signature big wheels, this set offers a thrilling loop challenge. If you're looking for a unique, high-flying stunt and want to build out a larger monster truck world by connecting it to other sets, this is a must-have. What people say. It assembles very quickly and he was able to manipulate the toy all by himself. My nephew, 3 years, is all about monster trucks but there aren't a lot of tracks for them. He loves this. It works really well and has a launch for both monster trucks and cars. It comes with one of each. La pista original nel suo genere, e robusta e ben fatta. Gli incastri solidi e preciso, mantengono il circuito in perfetta forma anche dopo diversi maltrattamenti. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.